How to make money on TikTok. Well, TikTok's been around for several years, a lot longer than a lot of people realise. It's had over 1.5 billion downloads. Now, I initially thought it was for young kids, and you can be mistaken for thinking the same. It started off as a company called Musical.ly or something along those lines. Now, you don't want to ignore TikTok. Ignore it at your own peril. So we're going to dive into some ways that you can make money out of TikTok. There are people with millions of users. There's people here that could be making money with TikTok, but they just don't know how to go about that. So many different backgrounds of people on TikTok. You've got the young teens, you've got middle ages, people just having fun. There are people marketing products. There are people in their 70s and 80s even. Here's a guy that lost his business because of COVID. Shut up business. And he started affiliate marketing business using TikTok, and he's got videos here. Look at this, 400,000 views. And how long ago was that posted? Let me have a look for you. 1 hour ago. 11 hours ago. Crazy. 1 hour ago, and it's had 400,000 views in that time. Now, here's another guy, Mark Tilbury. This guy is a businessman. He's a multi-millionaire. He has 5.8 million followers. And crazy. Look at this. 20 million views, 20.7 million views, 3.1 million views, 1.4 million, 1.7 million, and these are all in the last day. And as you can see, you've got all sorts of videos on here. You name it, you'll find it on here probably. And here's another one that inspires me, Don Halloran. I saw Don on an interview the other day. He had a speech impediment. He's got 119,000 followers. Here's a video today, 510. Earlier video today, 1.4 million views. 13.6 thousand. But this one's 1.4. And there was one here the other day. All he was talking about, here's one. He had a haircut. There it is. I got a haircut. 1.5 million views. Now, if you monetize this, yes, your traffic's not going to be as, what you would say, targeted, but you'll still get leads from it. All right, so we're going to cover a lot in this video, so stay tuned. You'll want to watch this right till the end. Now, to be able to make money, you need to know how to monetize this properly. There's many people that are not even monetized. Yes, that you can put a link here. You got to know how to do that. Now, here's Anas. He's been doing affiliate marketing. He's made 10 grand in the last 3 weeks. 10 grand off TikTok in the last 3 weeks. Now there's people that make nothing. There's people that make more. But it's so powerful. So stay tuned. Now look, I sort of overstepped it too. Maybe you've heard of TikTok. Maybe you haven't. But if you haven't, it's an app that you can put on your phone. Yes, you can have an emulator on your computer. You can't do as much with it. And people put up these little 3-second to 60-second videos on anything you like, as long as you don't breach their guidelines, and they're pretty broad but clear as to what you can do as well. So people use TikTok for many things. You can make money on it at the moment, or you could use it to drive traffic like I am. I'm driving traffic to my YouTube channel. I could have another page where you'll see some links here. Have a look at Dom's where he drives it somewhere else. This is what you'll see when you click on that link. It just warns you that you're actually leaving TikTok. So you can see that's where Dom's goes to. And there are many other ways to do it. You can drive it to, if you want to get traffic to YouTube, if you want to get traffic to your website, that link you can actually put there can be to any of those. Or you can have a squeeze page where you actually collect names and email addresses. And the great thing, once you've got your page together and you start following people, people start following you. I've grown this to 3,000, just on 3,300 followers in a few weeks. I registered the account but did nothing with it. And then you can go up here and have a look at your analytics. Now, they suggest your pages, or they call them For You pages, once you start to get traffic. And the thing is, be consistent. I've been posting 4 or 5 videos a day, and they don't take much, and it looks like it's unavailable. So there we go. Since in the last week, I've had 30,000 views, followers, and 1,100 profile views. And if you have a look here, I've had 11,000 views in a day. Is it? It went a bit crazy in the last couple of days. And you can see whether that's your own follow. It gives you a bit of a breakdown. So about 60% male, 40% women. The best time to post your videos, it tells you by the activity people watch. And so you can see in this case, I'm in Australia, 32% overall from United States, 27% in Australia, and then India. It was different the other day. It was higher in Australia, obviously, than it was in America, but it changed. Then you can go to your individual videos. It takes a day or so for it to be available. I'll just look for one. Okay, this one here. Let's just have a quick look at that, because I think the analytics will be there for it. So that's 9,000 views 2 days ago. It got most of them in the first day or two. Click on the analytics and it'll show you where did those views come from, what country did they come from. So you can see here, the majority of them came from Australia, 90% of them. And it wasn't from people that follow me, it was on my For You page, so they're suggested. And so 4% from New Zealand and 4% from the States. And this just shows you the number of people that liked it, number of people that have comments, and the number of people that have shared it. And with a post, so you can actually share the link on Twitter and all those. You just copy the link here. You can share the link in an email if you wanted to. You can see, you can post in here as well, and you could put a link in there as well. But the most important, or the place to have the most impact is on your profile when you have these links here. Now, some people are using what they call a link tree, and I'll show you that as well. It allows you to put more than one link. So that my link back here, I could change that, and I've been testing it. I could change that link. Instead of it going straight to YouTube, I could put it, this is a website called Linktree, and it's free. There are a couple of others around which give you a bit more flexibility, and you can put multiple links here. So this one here, what you viewed, your video here, that will take you to the YouTube. Get started online for a $7 15-day business builder challenge. And this one here, how you can make $1,500 per sale as an affiliate. So these are some of the ways that you could how to make money on TikTok in 2015. In 2021, I don't know where the 2015 come from. TikTok wasn't around in its form that it's in now. So look, if you've got value from this, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified of further videos. Check out my TikTok. You can see the address back here, and subscribe and like the video here, and we'll see you in the next one.